Freemill Ruth Renchi, Principal Community Health Nurse, and a Mr. Slow Farming Mo, a higher HF Grills, Moshe Farmers Time Series.
Me mama akwaba sonko eba Farmers Time TV series so na nia yede bremo sonko kra eye farm tour no ye ko efu so na ye ni akuafo a won adiye be kire successful farmers na atwetwe nkomo ni ahwe nia woye ene nia woye a wode boa omangana na farm tour jumedi ebe yen kranhye ama mabunu a ehwe yen ene Ghana fu nyina nene ya probo no abebesi Freemill Ventures so na ye no won betwetwe nkomo ni ahwe nia woye ni a me di dwumadi ho chia me din de set oben akoto yemwa kwa basonko eba Farmers Time TV series so segment yi eye farm tour yemwa kwa ba share me camera mom ye no betwetwe nkomo and na ye celebrate you as a woman farmer obia watu ho asio se kuya na obeye madam ahano yati mushroom farming den titiru na oye wa ha
pacho that's it. Mushroom farming yeah oyster pacho yeah the any say yeah causes a sawdust na yeah the mushroom no. It's as simple as that.
Most sawdust. Na mo dia yimire. Mami mi sawo. Titino ana say many fee no ukwafu so ansa na obehu say ebia mire afifi wo dua bia ebu da ho na bon se mire afifi wo no na ye de ne de odi sawdust area mire ana mushroom
that's sawdust no to say edua na because we call sawmill edua na no mo twitwa na ho aye powder na first no ko bush a baby a mire be fifi no edua ewu atoho a pro no na emire asate fifi wo ho anasa abempo obenya mire wo mu a agi say abene wu asana nti omu de omu adwen aye hu se edua bewu a na mre fifi mu ba nti sawdust no odi yesagu ho bebre na ya decompose process bro ni friend decompose nti odi heat bem ya mix it with quick lime any wheat bran the feeding kuko no nti chemical bi enim wheat bran the feeding kuko ibia
which makes it organic
na ya mix it we have a way of turning it into oye ne sa na fe ya bag na fe ye to seed no free food research na fe ya de egusu na ayemre no
na eide hina na cheo sa technique ana kwanga wo fa so ye mushroom
okay me ko market say me ko to bi na me nya and am say say we dey obi na because me ko market me so mo ton e bebre na me bi se mo na mo che me so food research training enkrofo say me to me ka ko food research for more aso e no so mo training luckily that day na me ko no mo start fresh training about 8 years ago and me go through training
nti na so ufi jumadi asi 8 years ni wow and usika no de bebre se amede ni ameka no say ya akuafo a won adiye na mefa won adamfo because me pe kuya and am pesika pa and it say a we ma adamfo pa because ni ambe hu no me hu say sebe kakra wo ho na ohwe jumadi a udi nyina obi a be start adwuma wo say ohia capital kwambe so na fa so a unya nia odifi ase no because capital hu hia obi opeso rural business mu
me dase pacho me ye juma me ya aban juma but farming there we can do backyard garden and or other farming it's me ya ban adwuma na eno ama nka say me ya ban adwuma nti me nye farming nka ho nti me for true aban adwuma me save nkaka na me dey start here.
Wow. So bia anka se bi o ya aban adwuma na nka obekọ aba obepon 5 o'clock na waba na mofre wo fie na wabeguare won wasiesie won ho na ade chia that cycle no then the motivate you out me breaking that cycle say Oyobia, you can do something for yourself. Then they motivate you, and then about what dream a man who say agriculture and agribusiness is the way to go.
Okay. Bianca, I love mushroom. Me the yemi bibi me pay meat ya de am pekra. Ha, inti mrenu me the yemi bibi say egg cry ya de twitwa gum, ya de fry egg, ya de stew. Gravy be no way to instead of meat. The love for mushroom no and also can me passion no ha e ma me koream. And now we are by juma. Yetua maybe at 30th. Na I hear 5th kra no na scanner.
So you ti na wo your style be now pam tare bi she.
Oh when I farming e ma me extra income. Source of income.
U chere nya wo ye no 8 years de minim say wo experience no. O chere kwan a wo fa so a wo ye mre no se nya wo ye no e wa ha na na
patron
it say obi pese obi sua den ni niema ohia ana se kwan ben so no betima be hu a obetima fa so abesua.
Okay patron ye no ye bibia wa ha wo ba ye betimi de a chere na mre ni ye ne nyedin Anything.
Na me buy me unso won asoja wa ha na we wa ha me kai se me buy kra no oti ho na wo do sa ahye niema no just activities no do so na wo se anyadin de na anyadin passion no na ma wo ka se anyadin ana se anyadin
ensheda anyadin sa ha enti ye be church obibia e wo farm ha enti wo kwa na akoya wo there you don't need any
strenuous activity
and that's expensive material be and emre it is grown in a room ube board down to say first papadan and expensive bia now
baby aye we me hu say nkanchin na odi aboso why our friend shelves odi asisu me hu say
not expensive
expensive but you can make money out of it, which means agribusiness is good. It's very, very good. That is what we are doing. Ye per se ye advocate, ye kan kuya hon faso, ema obebunu bia otifia okase kuya enfaso ni subia no na se chese watu hu egu. O hwe maami a ogina ye nchen ya orebo ne ho modern pa. O hwe niema a oye na eye nwa wa ya ade. Ma Millicent adwumen obi anim se kuayo eyede nenso mfasodi bi wo ho. You benefit from agriculture. That is the main aim of everybody venturing agriculture and agribusiness. Then now betimi de esi obo wakasi wenya efi farming and say mushroom farming. Mreyen no den na obetima kase wanya fi.
I'll show you me that's a alternative source of income mami like how me kind me ya ban juma it is miniska no mamiska e discover from there and na me hwe omo ama training omo for 8 years near omo ya there omo so omo have a source of living and mommy joy because most of them they are housewives doing nothing. They come to me, oh I need this, I need that. So it's a source of empowerment to those women I've trained, and mostly I train them for free, but now I train at a fee.
I know they are here because sabi also knowledge, you acquired it from somewhere. You didn't get it for free. Even impacting knowledge to people, one source of joy. Say now can. Nyame adwuma na wo ye no why are they? Na me pese obehwe camera mu na emia what say wo ye aban adwuma so wo hu ba bia wo de won savings ebe she as investment ebe ma won returns because o ka bibi kire na o ma wo hu say agribusiness is the in thing another source of income for women like you. Then I work at you, and especially Ghana mebunu also no. Then any other kafa agribusiness no, I be showing kran na once what they want I be share. Can be bicho.
Pacho, emrenu. Unhia asase kakra bia na se ska kese bi asana wait me and start. Nti the men wo catch youth na youth they say you can start something and earn a living. They say me start here na me fie chi a eda ho a nipa ni use and am kopa na chona me start here and now I've expanded and it's big. Nti I'll urge all youth to enter into agric because agric is the future.
Now me buy no at least me packaging where the message mofa package ni bi mra na yenhwe senia ti yenhwe senia ma Millicent wa package ni mushroom ifefefe also Freemill oyster mushrooms pure organic. Wow ma mo you see this is what we are talking about. Say you add value to what you are doing or the value at home into we okona say shelves bia so it looks very presentable, it looks very neat.
Mostly no online ofra and near the apparel
Enti ye be twa ye ho na mom ye buy no ka kire mi say utimi de kebab enti ye be twa so na sa kebab kona or the mushroom ye no what's what dry bi kra utimi
dry one
enti how you dry one
yes for TV
wow export it and I won't come Ghana for me ma ka kire ho ka bibi kire Ghana
export sometimes me chop kwan so 3 days 4 days into you dry sun dry and I say the electric dryer air dry and also let me check 3 months and say into export one you order from outside and you dry as
we are now sound bia kebab kebab no ya pentem ni akodi bi ma yenko ye ne Freemill Ventures Jumedi dasene ye beto aso Farmers Time TV series.
Agric dear Ayadepa. So be adding who remember wow, now wow mine so.
Into Kuyajumano, it is any other business. Say Kuyafuni, why ready. Agriculture, ye you may be oh yes, a yana ye meow, in Yasika or Chow Bimpo ya Busum Ejuma.
Me and find your politics. Undani galam say no, and ye Kuyajuma. Woman try to get to say, Ejuman, Wejuma or Hopa. It is why we school now TV. So Kuyajuma na ebe wow.
Me potria madam notice, also mean Jan Koyajuma for Frobia, men yada.
Okuani ne diduane pa okuani wokoto de otuaka unko pension o pension ne da wa yu
yen youth na ye ba no yen fa yen ho sha kuanu
Kuafo yembre kuayo eno ne Ghana fa
kuafo yembre ni e
mi cheche tiefo ina mobeka chiki oyebue mbeka folumbalam mbeka abuskeleke mbeka wani wachi bisa ye kuani mo hwe Farmers Time.